So one example where we choose between measuring and ignoring variables is with an experiment where the outcome is the yield of millet. In this experiment, we want to know the weight of millet to know the yield. So basically, the question was with millet, should you be measuring the weight of the whole stem or just the grains? You're interested in the grains. That's what you eat and that's what you want to know. But measuring the grains and just the grains is difficult. When in the field and you're harvesting, the grains are on the stems. It's later outside of the field that it's processed and the grains are taken off. So how reliable is the weight of the stems with the grains on it to be able to estimate the weight of the grain? To answer this, we used other research to establish the weight of the stems is reliable for the weight of the grains, to be able to use the weight of the stems to estimate the weight of the grains, and hence the yield. It was found it was really reliable, and not only that, but it avoided all these other problems, and it was cheaper. It enabled people to scale out the whole process. Measuring stems in the field is really easy and worked really well. On the back of that, it was then in future years chose to only measure the stems. So there were multiple wins there. And at the heart of this is it wouldn't have worked if not for the reliability between the stem weight and the grain weight. That relationship was checked, and that relationship is reliable enough to use one variable, the stem weight, to estimate another variable, the grain weight. This is actually called a proxy variable. In this example, the stem weight is a proxy variable for the grain weight. Thank you.